Look what just came in the mail. Opening up the box, figure you guys can see it too. Got a nice sticker here. Stickers are nice. I will always put them on my Jeep, and unless something's wrong with the part, then that sticker's the first to go. I like the packaging a lot. I like that they wrapped them. I like the foam. And the box is shut when I got it, so. Okay, that's got more weight than I thought. So this is what we got here. This is meant for up from stock height all the way up to 8 inches in lift. So this will definitely help me out because I'm up there in the 4.5, 5 range. First thing I notice are the threads. They look pretty big. Those are big beefy threads. I just feel like that would have a little slop in it. Oh yeah, you can kind of hear this. I know it's going to be tightened up with the nut and everything, but I almost want to put some thread something on there, like thread tape, just to help tighten everything up along with the nut. Right, and we've got the poly bushing, not rubber. Nice and tough. So I actually just got the, but I believe, yep, they are rubber. I feel like I should keep everything rubber or everything poly. Just I know rubber absorbs a lot more of the shaking and everything, so it's a little bit smoother ride. But the polys last so much longer, but then they're kind of teeth chattering where you feel every little mini vibration. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think, if you guys match them or just throw whatever in there. I'm pretty cheap, and I just wanted the cheapest upper arms I could. About $110. Right off of Amazon. I just went and found these guys. Looks like all the welds are nice and clean. No scratches, no tings. For this pile of parts, I'm thinking it's going to take about a day or so to put together, but it's going to be a little bit longer of a video. Alright, so if anyone's got any tips, tricks, or anything you can contribute to make my life a little easier, I would certainly appreciate it. Let me know in the comments. I got about probably 2 or 3 more days till I'm putting these in, so you got a little time.